I almost forgot I had these ordered, to be honest with you. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to all my returning clients. Much love and appreciation as always. If you're new here though, my name is Hayes, veterinarian, sneakerhead, hence the name, The Shoe Vet. You already know who you're here with. My favorite partner in crime, sneakers. And you just traveling today, aren't you? Already about face in the middle and everything like that, but it's okay, man. I hope everybody's having a good day. I had these, I guess I won the raffle. When was the raffle? I think it was like back in like August, September of 2021. And these just got delivered to me like maybe a week and a half or two ago. We're, you know, in the middle of April. So just to kind of give you the context of how long it finally took to get these. I hit the raffle on Aime Dore's website. I hit on the green and the navy blue. I think there was one more color. I can't remember off the top of my head right now. At that point in time, didn't get that one, but oh well, it's no real big deal because honestly, there isn't really that big of a difference between these and these right here. So it's gonna be kind of a shorter review than typical, because if you've seen my review, you've probably seen the review of these like everywhere, but especially on mine, there isn't really too much of a difference aside from some logo things and the high top. I'm going to show you how to style it too as well. To get the full scope of the shoe, you're obviously going to have to wear something, you know, cropped or some shorts or something like that, you know. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get into today's review and go back on this side too for the time being, sir. Please. Thank you. You know, table etiquette. All right, so we're gonna go over the boxes first. So the boxes are essentially the same as the low tops. The only difference though is that it is, I mean, it's still made out of cardboard, but it's a lot more sturdy than the previous boxes. Those are like incredibly flimsy, was really easily damaged. These, however, are at least pretty, they feel pretty premium. But the design and everything is still the same, obviously aside from the number on here. It's not 550, it's 650, okay? So we're gonna find out, is it worth that extra 100 in the number? So when you open the box, you're greeted with two separate laces. So we see right here in the green shoe, you have a green pair of laces. And you also have, both of them come with, both the navy blue and the green, come with like a, it's like an off-white cream color laces, which is by far my favorite. I kept the standard white laces in the shoes for the purposes of review, but as I'm wearing them, as I show more fit pics, I'm definitely gonna be having these cream off-white laces, and I really love cream off-white colors. We're gonna take out one of each shoe, and since you wanna be over here, sir, I'll put the shoes on this side. And in the navy blue box, it's navy blue, and then again, the cream colored laces. Now, okay, having both shoes out side by side, the low and the high top, the 550 and the 650R, again, there isn't really too much of a difference aside from, I guess, is the extra 100 part right here, this ankle collar. And then there's a difference in logos. For example, you can see right here on this part, by the ankle collar, it's bare. And then on the 650R, you see on both sides bilaterally, you have the New Balance logo. So again, there isn't really that much of a difference between these and those whatsoever. Going over the materials that comprise this shoe, it is primarily leather, mesh, and rubber. Colors, depending on the shoe, it's mostly white, off-white, and green on this shoe. And then on this one, obviously, instead of green, it's navy blue, but still white and off-white are the other two predominant colors. So breaking down the shoe, we're gonna start in the tongue, and both shoes are identical. We're gonna start at the tongue. So the tongue has some branding on there, co-branding, Aime Dore 650, NB for New Balance. You have the laces, standard white cotton laces that are flat in shape. Moving on down to our tongue is perforated, nice, smooth, soft leather. Moving on back on the mid panel, the upper, you have the pebbled end, that's bilateral on both sides. You have more perforations. And then on the lateral aspect of each shoe, you have 650 embossed in there. Moving on back, again, around that collar, you have the New Balance logo on that patch of leather. Up above it, you do have some mesh for that ankle collar. These are, and if you didn't know, these shoes are kind of like a nod towards retro basketball shoes, just FYI. You definitely can see that, you know, kind of basketball look and feel. I don't think you'd see anyone actually on the court in the NBA at least, because, yeah, I don't know It just doesn't really look too sturdy, but you can probably see some, I bet you'll see, some people out and about actually hooping in these. I mean, granted, the whole campaign's about basketball anyways, but hey, that's neither here nor there. I don't hoop, so who am I to say? All right, moving on down to the back of the shoe, you have some more branding, Aime, Dore, New York. Was it in Queens? Was that the borough? I think it was Queens. I think that was the borough that was found in. Going on down to the midsole, the midsole is an off-white color made out of rubber. On the outsole, depending on the shoe, on the green shoe, it's green, and on navy blue, it is navy blue. A little bit of highlights of that off-white kind of creamy color going on in there, non-marking sole. You do have a ortholite insole inside of the shoe that is not really removable. I'm sure if you really tug on it hard enough, you can take it out. But yeah, there's an ortholite insole inside the shoe. Comfort-wise, I mean, comfort's never really been an issue in any New Balance shoe. And that is definitely continued here. You can walk around these shoes all day, no problem whatsoever. I forgot to mention on the lateral aspect of the midsole, you have some more branding. You have NB, New Balance, and an actual New Balance logo too as well. For any New Balance shoe, I always go down half a size. So this is a size 9. Absolutely perfect for me. My true to size is 9.5. I think some people will probably prefer to go true to size, especially if you have a narrow foot, because these are kind of narrow shoes, but I go down half a size and I'm just fine. Now, the fun part, how to style. I have the green shoe in my hand, so we will go over the green shoe, how I style this one first. So I love looking at, I guess, color theory, if you will, and I know, and you probably know too as well, that the complementary color to green is indeed red. So this first outfit right here, we're going to start off with a red Calvin Klein shirt, going down into a neutral pair of pants. These are a linen pair of drawstring pants from Maison Margiela. And then of course down at the bottom, we end out with these shoes right here. Of course, the green hat above, kind of communicating with the, the green in the shoe. The red shirt being complementary to this, adding a little bit of a razzle dazzle to the outfit. And then the pants, they're linen, so they work out for the summer just well. And I think it's a nice neutral to kind of bridge both the red and the green together. So that's kind of the theory of this whole outfit right there. Granted, I understand that, hey, you can't see the high top part on these pants. I tried rolling them up. It didn't look good whatsoever. Just take my word for it. It didn't look good. But I mean, you guys understand, you don't have to take this, but you guys understand what I'm trying to get at. You don't necessarily have to take this fit. If you have like a khaki pair of shorts, then you can make that work in substitution for these pants right here. I don't wear shorts. This is a fun fact. I don't really wear shorts. I'm kind of self-conscious about my calves, just being straightforward. But again, you guys take the inspiration from the color theory I put in this outfit and make it yours. That's the point of why I do what I do. Moving on to the navy blue. So we're gonna pair up primarily navy blue with pink. I think those are a pretty sophisticated, really kind of a grown, kind of on some grown man stuff, grown man, grown woman stuff right there. Honestly, I do love, everyone loves a good navy blue and pink. Let's keep it real, everybody loves that. So what we're gonna do here is a little bit different. So we know that we had the complementary color scheme of the red and the green from the shirt and the shoes. So this time we're gonna actually match it. So we're gonna have a navy blue shirt matching with the navy blue in these shoes, okay? Bridging those two together, we're gonna have some crop pants. I honestly forgot the brand of these pants. I got them a Farfetch a couple years ago, and it's some Italian brand that I can't remember, but they weren't that expensive either though. I got these for a steal. I can't remember. I'll put the name up somewhere, the brand, but I just can't remember what they are right now. But I think they are perfect pants for a guy like me. They end up being cropped in the right location for me. They're comfortable, they're a little bit expandable too as well. So as I weight gain, hey, I still fit them. And yeah, perfect neutral color. So again, you're bridging, the navy blue in the shirt into the pants right here. We have some pink socks, a little pop of pink down there, and kind of draws your eyes down there too as well with that. Like, hey, you look down here and you're gonna see both these shoes with the high top. You can clearly see them. And then to put it all together, we have the hat up top that's gonna be communicating with the socks. You have a couple, so basically this fit is primarily navy blue with some pops of pink that makes it, you know, not just so mundane, all right? Yeah, you throw a little extra color in there, extra pops of pink, because with the navy blue and the gray, I understand this outfit is pretty muted down, pretty mundane, but I think the pink adds a little bit of fun into it, also with the satire of daddy on the hat, so yeah. As an experimental thing too as well, I kind of want to play with it. You guys, if you're having ALD, you probably recognize the Rico shirt, and so yes, this is the heavily sought after Afterglow Rico shirt. I put that on because I thought that was a really interesting summer fit with how, you know, bright this is. I think it kind of still works because of the pops of pink that I have in there, so it doesn't just overpower everything. You have some brightness up top, brightness, you know, at the shirt level, and then you have a little bit of brightness down with the pink socks. So that's kind of my theory of it. You guys let me know how you guys feel about it. I think it would probably look a lot better with the cream laces. I'm gonna try that out, probably put it on Instagram, and you guys know I'm about to say it's plug down there. I don't need to say anymore. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it as far as my review for both of these shoes. Are they great shoes? Yes. Were they worth the almost half of your weight though? Not really. Gonna be honest with you, not really. I almost forgot I even won these, again, to be honest, but I can't get mad at them. I understand the bug and everything like that that's going on with production. I can't blame them, but it's just like, okay, I got them, they're here, cool, whatever. I really cannot wait, and so they need to bring back the 990 V2s. That's what, I will wait a whole year for that. If I won a raffle and it took them a year to get another 990 V2, just like the Life and the Balance ones, oh man, that's cool. That's cool. That's fine. That's fine. I'm here for it. But anyway, so that's gonna be in today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you guys become a client. Do that by hitting the description link down below, as well as hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next appointment. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. The handle's at drhayes91, and that's gonna be linked in the description box down below. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you on the next one.